Welcome, everyone. Let's take a moment to ponder over logistics management. Think of it as the equivalent of orchestrating a complex ballet, coordinating the entire system of resources, processes, and activities to move goods flawlessly from point A to B. It's not just about having the right resources packed, loaded, and relocated. It's a strategic game. Packaging, handling, communication, the dance of intermodal transportation, every aspect playing its part in the harmonious movement of these goods. Here's a nugget for you. Packaging isn't just about looking pretty on the shelf or protecting your precious cargo. Oh no, it's a secret ninja working double duty, facilitating easy handling, providing vital information about the goods, and yes, playing a key role in damage prevention. Imagine receiving a carton of eggs without proper packaging. The horror. Let's not forget the importance of communication and the relay race that is intermodal transportation. These beads threaded together create a cost-effective, resource-optimizing, vibrant chain of logistics, ensuring your goods arrive not just promptly, but as expected